Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchie, hope you are well. Today I will show you some of my last purchase. This video, it's a little of everything about football, a little bit baseball and basketball. Maybe it's more about football. Let's go first, it's some USFL. Crazy nice, love this card, is Gary Clark. I must to be this second year edition about the card, but great. He was very good with the Redskins too, Gary Clark. And that is play for the Bulls, must to be a Carolina team or something like this. But anyway, another great, Doug Flutie. I love this card. Very happy to get it in my collection. It's not very well centered, but anyway, I can pass on. Another great, it's Reggie White. It's also not perfectly centered, but anyway, very happy to get this card. All this card, it's come from European seller. That it's a Marcus Allen. That I'm very happy to get this card. Must to be a top 83 and I think it is a rookie card. Great. Next, that it's Kirby Pocket. Love this card, and it was slabbed on the price. All the cards, the price was not very too expensive, and I'm happy to purchase this card. Next, move on. What is it? This? That it's some Cincinnati Bengals. Must to be some tops 76. Love the looking of the card. Bobby Clark, Ken Anderson. He signed my card. I love this player. Bob Johnson, Bruce Coslett. It's a little bit airbrushed. Maybe he played for the Browns, but I'm joking. But it's funny. Bob Trumpy, Charlie Joyner, very good wide receiver. Ron Pritchard, John Reeves, Ken Riley, Essex Johnson, Ken Johnson, Sherman White, Dave Green, Jim Leclerc, nice, Isaiah Curtis, Lemar Parrish, Chip Meyer, Al Beauchamp, a French name, Vern Holland, Ron Carpenter, I think he's signed my card. No, it's maybe a anonymous, a guy who gets the same name than him. Bernard Jackson, and Tommy Casanova. Okay, move on. Next. That's what is it. Okay. I'm very happy in Zillow. I get a young blood auto that is crazy nice. I think he charged for $5 or $10, but very happy to get this. Mike Guman, Bill Baines. This card is also the tops 83. Rod Perry, Mike Lansford, Ken Hill, Pat Thomas, Preston Dennard, Nolan Crowell. That it's leaders. We say Wendell on the card. Vince Ferragamo. That it's Ronnie Lott, not to be the same year, must to be 87. That it's some tops 86, of course. Lindike, very happy that it's auto. We see a Packers, Kaufman, Ellis, Ivory, Clark, James Lofton, a very good wide receiver, Kaufman, Carragher, Johnson, Erza Johnson, Douglas, Lewis, Mark Murphy. Shout out to this guy because he signed my TTM card. Now it's about the Seahawks. Edwards, Joe Natch, shout out to these guys because he also signed my TTM. Kurt Warner, he was very good. Jeff Bryan, Norm Johnson, John Harris, Daryl Turner, Dave Krieg he's a TTM senior, I think, or sometime, but for this moment, I think I sent to you guys, but he not seen my card. Fred Young, Isley, Green, Largent, and Gary Clark. That is great. Move on. What is it? That is some tops 72. Gail Sayers, that is crazy nice. Ron Smith, Ed Obradovich, all it's about Chicago Bear, Bobby Joe Green, Dick Gordon, and Mac Percival. And of course, the biggest card of this lot, it's Gail Saylor. He signed my card from when he was a fundraiser for the Kansas University. That it was Ewison. That's move on. Next, what is it? Okay. That it's a Ken Stabler, must to be his rookie card. I pay a few bucks, but the card is really not in good condition. Not too good at the back, but I will not complain. One of my favorite cards about Ken Stabler is this. It's with the Oilers. I don't know why I love this card because, of course, Ken Stabler is really Raiders on all this career about this team. But anyway, like also this card, but okay. Johnny Unitas, that's great. John Mackey, great. Tom Matt, Deacon Jones, Ewison, Jerry Levias, Lionel Aldridge, Sid Hayward, Dennis Party, Swalt Sweeney. That is really funny. It's a boyhood photo of Mike Garrett. Okay. Joe Beauchamp, Tim Rosovich, Gary Garrison, great. Carl Mock, Russ Washington, Ron East, Brian Salter, Boy Bacon, Terry Owens, and Mike Garrett. This card must to be some top 73. Love the looking of this card. Okay, move on. And now we will, okay, some card. Brooke Robinson must to be a top 76. That is great and very sweet. Another Brooke Robinson, 77. Great. Legendary player. That is a Kellogg's. Must to be 70, but I'm not sure. That is Crawford. What is the first name of this guy? Willie Crawford. I don't know a lot about this guy. That it's a tops 57. Whitney Herzog with the Washington Senator. That is great. That is a Kellogg's card of Kilbrew. I don't know a lot about Kellogg's card, but anyway, quite happy with this. That is also a big card. It's a Dick Buctus and a legendary player. That is nice. That it's top 68 Phil Niekro. Very happy with this, even it's not very well centered. On that it's a top 59 George Waite, and I love the collection, and the logo of the pirate is crazy nice. Move on. I will show you my last card. Okay. That must to be some tops 62 Joe Perry. That is great. Another Hall of Fame. Bill George. That is great. And Hugh Mike Haney. all the card I pay for a few bucks, and I'm very happy to get this card. Okay, move on. That's it's on top 60. Hugh Magali again on Chuck Bednarik. This card, I don't think the value is very high, but I love the looking of this card, and it's one of my favorite vintage card ever because I love the pose and the looking and the color. That it's really one of my favorite card ever about the vintage card. That is great. On my last card, that it's Cubs Bowman, and that is crazy. It's a Bowman 50. The name of the player is Doyle Lade, and I love the Cubs, one of my favorite baseball team, and that's the top 50. That's crazy nice. On my last card, it's Topps Alkaline. Sorry, I don't know really the year, and I pay few bucks. The card is not in perfect condition because there is quite a big mark white on the middle, but anyway, I love so much this card, and that is great. Another Alkaline, that must to be a card from the Cornflakes box, something like this. I'm not sure, maybe you can confirm me or not, but anyway, quite happy to grab this for a few bucks. On my last card, it's a Detroit Lions team's roster. I don't know really the year, but maybe it must to be maybe in the late 50 or in the middle of the 60. I don't know, sorry, but I don't know really don't remember the year, but anyway. And I will show you again my favorite card about the vintage card. It's not the biggest value, but I love so much this card about Chuck Bednarik. Love so much this card. Thank you for watching. All the best. Happy collecting. Bye bye.